Exercise 3.5, Problem 1, Division 9, Solution. Factorize the polynomial x cubed minus 10x squared minus x plus 10. It is very much like the previous problems. So let p of x be x cubed minus 10x squared minus x plus 10. And what we do, we'll have to quickly check some of the coefficients. What is happening to that? So this is 1 minus 10 minus 9. Then this is 1 minus 10 is minus 9. This is when you add one more to that, it will become minus, the coefficient is minus 1, right? So it will be minus 10. Minus 10 plus 10 is 0. So which means x equal to x minus 1 is the factor, or p of 1 will be 0. So let's try p of 1. So p of 1 will be, this will be 1 cubed is 1. This will be 1 square, right? 1 square into minus 10 is minus 10. And this will be minus 1 and this will be plus 10. So you can see this and this will cancel. And minus 10 and plus 10 will cancel, so it is equal to 0. So which means x minus 1 is a factor. Now let's go for the synthetic division. And in the synthetic division, what do? We write down, first you have to make sure whether it is all in the right order. Is there any terms missing? You have cube, square, x and constant. So no terms are missing and it is in the descending order. So we can write it as it is. Write down all the coefficients. 1 x cubed, coefficient of x cubed is 1, coefficient of x square is minus 10, coefficient of x is minus 1 and a constant here. And p of 1, right? So we'll put that 1 here. So for the first term you always put 0, add it up, you'll get 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9. Minus 9 into 1 is minus 9. Minus 1 and plus minus 9 is minus 10. Okay. And minus 10 into 1 is minus 10. When you add up, 10 minus 10 is 0 is a remainder. So this is the quotient. So this is constant. This is coefficient of x. And this is x square, right? So the term is, x square minus 9x minus 10. Now we need to factorize this. So how will we factorize? The constant into the coefficient of x square is minus 10, right? This minus 10 must be split in such a way when you add or subtract, you have to write the multiples of minus 10, but you have to select that in such a way that you add or subtract, you'll have to get the coefficient of the coefficient of x, right? So now minus 10. So this will be split as minus 10 into minus 1. Minus 10 into 1 is minus 10. And minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9. So which is right. Right? Now, so this minus 10 needs to be divided by the coefficient of x, right? That is the coefficient of x, x square, sorry, is 1. So minus 10 divided by 1. And this is also needs to be divided by the coefficient of x square, that is 1 in this case, right? So this is minus 10 by 1, no more simplification, this is 1 by 1. And you know how to write the factor. This will become the coefficient of x and this will be the constant term coming down. So it will be 1x or x minus 10. Similarly, it will be 1x or x plus 1. So the factors of this is x minus 10 into x plus 1. Okay. But I'm trying to do it by the other method also to try to show you. So minus 10, there is this minus 9x can be written as minus 9x minus 10x plus 1, right? Because it's a multiple of minus 10 into 1, right? So this minus 9x is written as minus 10x plus x. Now you can take x commonly out from these two. And you will have to take 1 commonly out. So when you take x commonly out, you'll get x into x minus 10. And when you take 1 commonly out, it will be x minus 10. And you can take x minus 10 commonly out from these two terms. So it will become x minus 10. Once you take x minus 10, x is left out and plus 1 is left out. So it will be x plus 1 into x minus 10. That is what we got here also. Am I right? So both methods are giving you the same answer. Whichever suits you, you can select it. So now what is our polynomial? Polynomial is this into this, right? That is a factor. So this is already x plus 1 into x minus 10 and x minus 1 is the other factor. That is why we are putting p of 1 here, right? So it will be x plus 1 into x minus 10 into x minus 1. So this is the factors of this cubic function. Okay, so I hope it's clear. If not, please go through this one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.